Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see on the screen, the thumbnail was not clickbait. I did in fact take a 1 to 4 this morning on the Dow. So without further ado, let's get into the trade outline and how I was able to find such a nice entry and how I was able to capture this move. Alright, so on a 5-minute chart at around 9 o'clock, we can see some equal highs here and here. Now that's for the buy side. On the sell side, all we have is this swing low as well as this swing low. So with equal highs on the buy side and just swing lows on the sell side, we can kind of tell that price is more likely to go up higher, and that's simply because retail will see these equal highs as a double top and they'll have a short position here thinking that above this area is very strong resistance. So then there's going to be a lot of traders having shorts after this double top was kind of created. Thus we know there's a lot of liquidity here, again because there's a lot of stop losses at this area. Okay, now back to a minute chart. After this high was created here, making equal highs from the one in London session, we went down, took out some sell side, which is here, here, and here, and at around 8:50 we started consolidating. We stopped going lower, and that's why I was also kind of comfortable taking longs. And because there are still sell side, right, we could go lower, but after 8:50 we consolidated, and when 9 o'clock came around, it was close to equity. So then when equity comes, I really didn't think that we were going to go lower, right? We were going to use the volatility of equity to push price higher into our targets, which are these equal highs. Okay, so with that being said, after some consolidation from 8:50 to around 9:20, I entered exactly at 9:20, just 10 minutes before equity, and I thought this was fine because we had really nice targets, and even if I get stopped out, my stop would have been triggered properly and it wouldn't have gapped me. Because we had 10 minutes before equity, price would have moved enough to the point where it would not have gapped me. And yeah, that's the trade. So from 9:20 to 9:30, or 9:20 to 9:29, these 9 minutes didn't have much movement, but right when equity came, starting at 9:28 actually, started running up higher, and ultimately we did hit our targets. Now, as you can see, price did go higher and I was not able to capture that. I just was not thinking about higher time frame targets. I was just going for low-hanging fruits, something small on a 15-minute chart or a 5-minute chart. Now, obviously in hindsight, we can see that price ended up filling this order block from 2 days ago, or sorry, a day ago, last Friday. But when I was trading, I really didn't think of that. I was just thinking about these highs and getting out with low-hanging fruit. Okay, that's it for me today. Hope you found this informative.